outfits tomorrow. I've got so much change in my purse. The hell's wrong with him?
Sneeze, stop. There's the nose. They're doing yoga.